Clean a sugar glider. One of the cutest exotic pets anyone can ever have is the sugar glider. The sugar glider is typically a tree-dwelling marsupial. Because of its size and appearance, it has become a popular house pet. They are nocturnal animals that can bark and chirp. Sugar gliders, with regular and proper care, can live for about 10 to 15 years. The only drawback with having a glider as a pet is the odor they develop, especially if there is no regular cleaning regimen in place. Fortunately, the odor can be maintained with regular hygiene and diet. Shampoo. Like cats, sugar gliders observe self-cleaning instincts. They do not need to be bathed. However, despite their inherent self-cleaning skills, odors can still develop. One trick to controlling their odor is by spraying dry shampoo regularly. You can purchase this at any pet supply store or veterinary clinic. If there is none within your vicinity, you can opt to make your own dry shampoo. Mix water with baking soda and place it in a spray bottle. That should do the trick. You can spray it on your glider every other day or any time he starts emitting a foul odor. Cages. Like any pet, the cage is usually the source of odor. Cages must be cleaned regularly just like your pet. Make sure that you clean all food and water dishes. Toys should be clean as well. For the glider's beddings, use only Odor or aspen shavings. These types of beddings can absorb the odor from urine and droppings. Do not use newspapers or pine shredding for their bedding. If your glider has a blanket, make sure to wash this regularly as well. Replace the beddings weekly if possible. Place a tray at the bottom of the cage for feces and urine. This should be cleaned daily as well. Spray the same dry shampoo on the cage and beddings as well. Diet. Fruits and vegetables are the primary foods that should be fed to gliders. You can opt for packaged baby food as well. Make sure that the glider receives a well-balanced source of protein, carbohydrates, and minerals. A good diet can lead to an odorless glider. Neutering. Even if neutering can be rather cruel, it still is a great trick to decrease odor. This is especially effective with male sugar gliders. Males are more prone to odor than females. Regular habit. All hygienic regiments should be observed as a habit. If you have to clean the cage daily, then do it daily. Odor can develop quickly, so it is important to be proactive. A sugar glider can be a little too much to bear if its pungent aroma invades your home and reaches your nostril. Be meticulous, and this should not be a problem. On the plus side, if you practice proper and regular care for your glider, this will significantly increase his lifespan. Show him love and care and give him a happy life.